I'm going to show you how to submit a photograph for your art projects. First of all, it's really important that you have a clear photograph of your art project so I can really see what I'm grading. You want to make sure you lay your project down flat, and when you take your picture, try to hold your camera directly above your artwork. You can always go back and crop your picture after you take it, but do your best to make sure it's in focus and the best shot that you can get. Let's say you're going to submit an assignment. One assignment that you're going to be submitting here is your journal covers. So if you go to this Create Your Journals, you'll see here that here are the directions for how to create the journal. When you're ready to submit a picture of it, go up to the top where it says Submit Assignment. Okay. And then down at the bottom, you have some options here. One option is you can upload a file that you've already uploaded. So if you already took your picture on your camera and you were able to upload it to your device, if you're using a computer, you could either email yourself that photograph, or you could upload it to your Google Drive, which we're going to try. But let's try to get it right from our computer. So you can choose File. And I already had on my desktop a file for Canvas for this practice here. And I took a picture of my journal cover. So you select what you'd like, click Open, and you can see that the image is going to be added there. Before I submit it though, let's try out Google Doc. When you click on Google Doc or Google Drive, if you had uploaded it and saved your photo to the Google Drive, you can click on that. And I had already authorized my Google account. If you have not, you might see something like this, where it says Authorize Google Drive Access. Okay. Once you find the image that you want in your Google Drive, you can select it. And submit. And you can see here that it is ready to be submitted. When you're ready, you can click Submit Assignment. If you wanted to write any comments to me so I can see that, you can also do that. Okay. And it looks like it's submitted. I'm good to go. If you needed to resubmit an assignment, you would just go back up to the blue button and click Resubmit Assignment.